Hi beauties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't worry. Today's video is all about makeup for beginners. We understand that the world of makeup can seem intimidating, but with our expert tips and the right tools, you'll be able to achieve a flawless and natural look in no time. We have handpicked 10 essential makeup products that every beginner should have, so let's get started. Product 1. Primer. The first step to flawless makeup is using a primer. A primer creates a smooth canvas for your foundation of the makeup, making it last longer and creating a velvety finish. Simply apply a small amount of primer all over your face and wait for it to dry before moving on to the next step. Product 2. Foundation. Next up, we have foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly with a brush, sponge, or your fingertips. Foundations even out your complexion and provide a base for the rest of your makeup. Product 3. Concealer. To hide any blemishes or dark circles, reach for a concealer. Concealers come in various shades, and it's best to choose one that is slightly lighter than your foundation. Apply it to the problem areas and gently blend it in, ensuring a seamless finish. Product 4. Powder. Lock in your foundation and concealer with a setting powder. This step helps your makeup stay in place and controls shine. Using a powder brush, lightly dust the powder over your face, focusing on the T-zone or areas prone to oiliness. Product 5. Blush. Adding a touch of color to your cheeks can make a huge difference in brightening up your complexion. Choose a blush shade that suits your skin tone and, using a blush brush, apply it to the apples of your cheeks with a soft sweeping motion. Product 6. Eyeshadow palette. For an effortless eye makeup look, an eyeshadow palette is a must-have. Opt for a palette with neutral shades that complement your skin tone. Using an eyeshadow brush, blend the colors onto your eyelids, starting with a light shade as a base and building up to darker shades for depth. Product 7. Eyeliner. Define your eyes with eyeliner. It can be a pencil, gel or liquid liner, whichever you feel most comfortable using. Apply it along your lash line, as close to the roots as possible, and extend it slightly for a subtle winged effect. Product 8. Mascara. Mascara is a game changer for your lashes. Choose a mascara that volumizes and lengthens, and apply it to your upper and lower lashes. Wiggle the wand from the base of the lashes to the tips for maximum effect. Product 9. Brow pencil, powder. Groomed eyebrows frame your face and can make a huge difference in your overall look. Using a brow pencil or powder, fill in any sparse areas of your brows and shape them to perfection. Product 10. Lipstick, lip gloss. Finally, complete your look with a swipe of lipstick or lip gloss. Choose a shade that suits your mood and apply it to your lips for a perfect finish. Don't forget to smile. And there you have it, beauties. With these 10 essential makeup products, you're now equipped to achieve a flawless look, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup enthusiast. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your makeup journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay beautiful.